Hey everyone, welcome back to another video from Gaming for Beginners. Today in this video, I'm back with another gaming tutorial on how to change your player name in Beach Buggy Racing 2 game. Personalizing your player name in Beach Buggy Racing 2 adds a unique touch to your racing experience. Whether you're aiming to stand out in multiplayer races or simply want a name that reflects your style, here is how you can do it. First of all, launch Open Beach Buggy Racing 2 game on your device. Once you're inside the home page, go ahead and tap on your current player name at the top left corner. Now click on Manage Account under Profile. Tap on your current name at the top and you can now erase your current name and write down the new name you want to change to. Finally, click OK. But whenever choosing a player name, you'll need to choose between 3 to 15 characters long name. After you're done, click on OK and wait for a few seconds. Now you have successfully changed your player name in Beach Buggy Racing 2. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.